Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and today I am back with some makeup brushes. Okay, so today I'm gonna give you guys the tea on some makeup brushes that I received from a store off of Amazon. It has been a while since I've reviewed makeup brushes on my channel, so I am really excited to give you guys the tea. Now, of course, I will not be using these makeup brushes today, so this will be like a first impressions slash little verbal review, and of course I will let you guys know all the information that I need to let you guys know about these brushes. Okay, so I'm not too sure how to say the store name. It's like HEYMKGO, so I'm just gonna say it like that, but of course it's right here on the screen for you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the packaging, which is very simple, and then of course I'm gonna show you guys how the brushes look. So if you are interested in hearing about these brushes that I received off of Amazon, then keep watching. So make sure you guys check the description box below where I will leave the link to these brushes. I will give you guys a little bit more details a little later, but for now I'm going to go ahead and show these brushes off to you guys. So as you guys can see, this is like a little mini purse or whatever you want to, whatever you want to call it. Of course it has this part where you can, hang it around, and of course it opens and closes. Now as far as the color, it's a cute pretty little mauve color, so that's cute. So right here it says HEYMKGO, which again is the name of the Amazon store. And then of course here are the brushes. So there's 15 brushes, so this is a 15-piece brush set. Okay, so I'm going to take the plastic off of these so I can show you guys how the brushes look as far as the handle, and let you guys know how the bristles feel. Alright, so before I get a feel of these brushes and let you guys know, how the bristles feel, and of course show you guys how the handles on the brush look, I do want to give you guys some information about these brushes real quick. So again, this is from Amazon. This is from the HEYMKGO store. This is their 15-piece champagne gold brush set, and it retails for $7.99. I don't remember how much it was when I received these brushes, so yeah, but still they're very affordable. Okay, they are very affordable. It does say typical price is $8.99, so they're pretty cheap. Okay, they're pretty cheap, so I definitely can't wait to use these brushes and actually see if they're pretty good or not. There is a lot of reviews, so they could be pretty good. So again, there's 15 piece, and they have a blush brush, powder brush, face flat brush, multi-function brush, foundation brush, eyelash and eyebrow brush, precision crease brush, small shadow brush, large shader brush, small flame brush, angle shadow brush, concealer brush, detail brush, and precision flat brush. Now it says that the wooden handle with aluminum brush tube for stronger connection, soft and dense soft bristles will not fall off after long-term use. The matte texture prevents it from falling out of your hands. And then of course they have the brand's unique logo, which is more high-end. Soft bristles are easy to apply, suitable for powder, liquid, and other cosmetics. So it says high-end makeup brushes set containing 5 big kabuki and 10 precision makeup brushes, cover all size and shape to do your whole face makeup. Ideal for foundation, contouring, blending, shading, and highlighting eye makeup. So yeah, this sounds pretty good. They're cruelty-free premium synthetic bristle fiber, luxurious champagne gold conical wood handle, one-piece custom-made logo handy makeup bag. Real cute. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys each brush, of course. So the first brush that we have is a blush brush. Super cute. Ooh, this is soft. This is soft. So the bristles are nice and soft, which we love. The handle with their logo, super cute. So next we have the powder brush. Next we have the face flat brush. The multi-function brush. the foundation brush. Yeah, these bristles are really soft. But the packaging on these, I love. For them to be cheap, the packaging is definitely like high end, like they said. So I really do like that. So next we have the eyelash and eyebrow brush. And on the other end, we have the eyebrow brush. So next we have the precision crease brush. Next, we have the small shadow brush. We have the large shader brush, which kind of looks similar, but there's definitely a small difference. Next, we have the small brush. I feel like I got one of these mixed up, but it's okay, because I'm still letting you guys know which brushes are in this set. Then we got the angle shadow brush. I believe this is it. We have the concealer brush, which is a flat brush. I definitely missed one. I missed one. This one is the detail brush. This one is the precision flat brush. Now there is a brush that I missed. Okay, so one of them was, yeah, I did miss. So this one is a precision crease brush. And then you have the small shadow brush. Then you have the large shader brush. You have the small flame brush or something like that. I can't see, but it's the small one. Oh, y'all, I don't know. I got mixed up somewhere. So yeah, I was trying to look at, you know, the picture. So I got mixed up somewhere, but for the most part, I did let you guys know what each brush was, and of course showed you the brushes as well. All right, so again, these brushes are really, really soft. I'm definitely gonna be using them soon. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys information about these brushes in case you need some new brushes, looking for some real cheap, affordable brushes. But the bristles are super soft, and these handles are really, really cute, really, really, really pretty. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review these brushes. I really do appreciate it. I really needed some new brushes as well. I'm getting to that point where I don't really feel like cleaning my brushes, so you might as well buy some new ones. You know, a lot of us are like that, but I really do appreciate them for sending me these brushes. Like I said, I will leave the link down below in the description box for you guys in case you are interested in purchasing these brushes from HEYMKGO and all of that. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.